In this video, I will show you how to use the microphones in Classroom Capture Plus spaces. The microphones in these spaces are intended for classroom capture recordings and video conferencing. If you are using the microphones for video conferencing, please refer to the video conferencing video. These spaces are equipped with two ceiling microphones, one that is designated to capture audience comments or questions, and another that is designated to capture anyone speaking at the front of the room. By default, the audience microphone is muted at the start of a classroom capture recording and will need to be unmuted if you intend to use it. In addition to the ceiling microphones, there is a clip-on lapel microphone and a handheld microphone stationed in a charging base on the lectern. OIT encourages the use of these microphones for high-quality audio during a classroom capture recording. Once your classroom capture recording starts, navigate to the microphone page of the touch panel by selecting Menu, then Microphones. Here you will see the current status of the microphones in the space and options to adjust and/or mute them. You can see the current level of recording audio at the bottom of the touch panel here. At the end of your session, please remember to return the microphones to the charging base stationed on the lectern. The charging base will display a red light if they are actively charging and a green light if they are fully charged. This ensures they will be ready for use by the next person.